Infections hitting the St. Louis metro once again. In St. Louis County alone, they are seeing positivity jump to 15% over the last week.
And medical experts tell our Gabriela Vidal some are testing positive for COVID when they go to the doctor thinking that they have something else.
The flurry of COVID testing is keeping this total access care in Wentzville busy.
People come in thinking it's their normal sinus infection or allergy symptoms, and then we test them for COVID, and it's positive.
News 4 has learned staff across all metro total access cares are administering roughly 650 tests per day.
Our most recent data has shown 19.9% positive over the last week.
SSM Health's Chief Community Health Officer, Dr. Alex Garza, says we can expect to see COVID-19 cases continue to increase as communities return to activities like traveling and graduation, with little to no COVID-19 mitigation measures in place.
If you're elderly, things like that, then you need to be more cognizant of what you're doing. So whether that's gathering in large groups or being around other people, those are the things that should really drive behavior, such as wearing a mask or not going into indoor crowded environments, things like that.
But he also says the true number of cases across the St. Louis metro is going underreported.
People either foregoing testing because of, they think it's something else, or frankly, they just don't want to get tested.
I think there's been a little bit of hesitation for testing in recent weeks, mostly because allergy season is so strong. So right now, people don't know if they're having allergies or their normal sinus infections, or if it's COVID.
Dr. Garza says the good news here, a COVID rise is not expected to strain hospitals because the community has built significant immunity or have been vaccinated and boosted.
You can still become infected, especially with the Omicron variant. But the key is that it doesn't cause significant illness.
And for those traveling or gathering, he says it's better to get a test if you start to feel any sort of symptoms. In Wentzville, Gabriela Vidal, News 4.